Okay, so we are going to do an experiment today about what's really in your vitamins. And this is the first time I'm doing it, so I'm going to record it, and we're going to be so excited. I'm going to have a couple little helpers, but here we're going to start. And this is some body temperature vinegar. Okay, so the vinegar is going to act as our stomach acid. Okay, so we're going to pour these into the bowls here. Okay.
What is that?
That's vinegar, honey. Okay. Then I have 4 types of vitamins here, different brands. I bought these all yesterday, so they're all fresh. Okay, so first of all we have, let's get to focus, the Equate One A Day Women's. Okay. Then we have the Spring Valley Prenatal. Okay. And we have the One A Day Women's. Okay. And then we have the Shaklee's Vitally Multivitamin here. This is the brand with iron that I take with my pregnancy right now. So Quinn's a little tired from waiting. So Quinn, go ahead. Here, put this vitamin in for Mommy. Put it in the bowl. Okay. And put this one in too.
That one?
Yep, that one too. Put it in the bowl. Kennedy, now it's your turn. And put that one in there. And then that one. Okay. And we're going to let them dissolve.
Dissolve?
Yeah, we're going to see how long it takes for them to dissolve in the vinegar and what happens.
What happens
when they dissolve. Okay, so this actually might be kind of boring. So we're going to have a part 2 and come back maybe when things start happening here, because I don't really know how long it's going to take. But I wanted everyone to know what it was like. Okay, so here we go. Yeah, I'm not doing anything yet, but you can see this one's bubbling just a little bit. That one's bubbling a tiny bit. That one's not really doing nothing. That one's bubbling just a tiny bit. Okay, we'll come back later and I'll let you know how long it's taken. All right?